Do you carry your phone or laptop with you at all times? Are you bored of mindlessly scrolling around social media? Now is the moment for you to start earning money online by just watching movies, which isn't a tedious task, and who doesn't like to be compensated for doing so? Take a look at these people who are earning money in real time and getting paid for every video they watch. What's more, it doesn't necessitate any particular abilities. It's something that everybody can do. As a caution, this isn't a full-time job. Instead, think of it as a side business. Before we get into the video, let's clarify that this isn't your conventional way to make money online. It's a little unusual, and you'll need to follow every single second of the lesson to properly set things up. You won't know what you need to do if you go ahead, and it won't help you. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. The first step is to go to youtube.com. You'll be paid to watch videos on YouTube, but first we'll need to sign into youtube.com, which I'll explain to you how to do. Click sign in the upper right corner of the page to log in. After that, you'll be asked to enter your email address and password. Go to this page and click create account if you don't already have one. Fill in your full name in these two boxes on the next page. As well as your complete new email address in the box below. Finally, as a confirmation, input and retype your password in these two boxes. Then to proceed, click next. When you log into your YouTube account, the Explore button will appear on the left-hand side of the screen, and you'll want to click it on the next page, where you'll have to choose a game. This will now display the gaming videos that are performing very well and generating a big number of views. The next stage is for you to decide which of these games you want to play. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as long as it is well-liked and popular. And with the gaming business being so wide and popular, you can't go wrong with any game. When you choose any of those games, you'll now be able to find individual videos, and they all have a lot of views that are growing over time. You should now exit this page and proceed to the second website where we will get paid today. The second website I'm about to show you is called 7r6.com. And it allows you to earn money by shortening the URLs of selected videos. As you can see, the very first thing you must do is create an account. Then you can shorten the link to any website and get paid for it. It's for this reason that they'll pay you to shorten links. When a user clicks on a shortened link to any website, not simply a YouTube video link, they will be taken to an external page with adverts before being redirected to the target site. The website earns money by advertising, which is similar to how YouTube earns money. And the ad money is split between the individuals who simply shorten the links on this platform. This is what you will need to do when you first visit the site. And as you are aware, before you can get reimbursed, you must first register an account. So go to the top right corner of the page and click the sign up button, which will lead you to a screen where you may sign up by entering your username. email address, and password. Then to complete the procedure, check this box and then click the register button below. Here you may see your total number of views, earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM. Simply click on a new shortened link right here and paste it into the box to shorten the URL. Finally, once you've amassed a substantial sum of money from those shortened links, you may withdraw it by selecting the withdraw icon on the left. After you've registered an account, you'll have to do now is shorten links to make money, and we'll be shortening YouTube videos. So, you can copy and shorten any of these video links. I'm going to give you a money-making tip. I guarantee you'll get better results and generate more money if you concentrate in live videos. Simply select live from the drop-down menu to have YouTube only show you live videos. The next step is to access any of them, such as this one, and locate the video's URL by clicking on share and copying the link. Then come back here and paste it into this box. Then to complete the process, click on shorten below. Repeat the technique for at least 3 videos to make it more efficient. Just keep in mind that shortening as many links to different videos as possible will help you earn more money. It's time to put everything together, now that you've shortened numerous links to various videos. The only thing that's missing is your traffic source. To be reimbursed, you must persuade people to click on your link. So that what are your options? Don't worry, I'll tell you about 2 main traffic sources. StreamCommunity.com is the first. Stream is used by significantly more people to discuss gaming-related topics. There are thousands of posting here regarding various games, and the site draws millions of monthly visitors. These 2 features make it a perfect traffic source for us because we wish to offer shortened links to YouTube gaming videos. On this website, the first thing you'll need to do is create an account. Then to begin receiving clicks, simply create a post on the site where you'll share your shortened links. Consider how simple it is to make money online. Simply sit back and wait for hundreds of thousands of clicks from gamers and internet users all over the world. Mood.us, in addition to Steam, allows you to exchange abbreviated URLs. Simply do what you did with Steam and follow all of the procedures that I just shared with you, and you'll be shocked at the amount of traffic that's about to come your way. And that's all there is to it. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring the notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.